Let's start lesson sets. First of all, look, the set is collection of well defined objects. Well defined objects. Look, what does this mean? The important concepts in this definition are: the set is nothing but a collection of objects, but these objects must be well defined. Well defined means in mathematics there should no confusion in understanding. Okay, so the set is collection of well defined objects. Well defined objects are the objects in which there is no confusion, means there is no relativity. Let's take an example. Can you tell me how many days are in a week? So obviously answer for this question is 7 days. Means in this answer we have no confusion. Okay, it means we can count clearly. So this is an example of set. So this is a set. Now look, what is not called a set? Let's take another example. Good student in your class. Actually, good, bad, these are nothing but qualities. And qualities are different for different people. Means if a boy is good for a teacher or for a group of students, it is not compulsorily that boy should be good for all. So good, bad, bright, brave, these are qualities, and the terms related with qualities or the set of objects, collection of objects which are related with qualities are not sets. So in this example, good student in your class is not a set, but days in a week which has the fixed answer and there is no confusion in this answer is called a set. Therefore, set is not a relative concept. It is not relative concept. Okay, in next video we will see how to write a set and how to read it. In short, the writing methods of a set with some examples. Thank you.